Hi there, I'm Tom Monroe, the home inspector. I'm on inspection today, and I think that I've come across the home of the king of do-it-yourself. Let me show you. So like I say, this home's 125 years old, and when it comes to people doing their own project, I'm always cautioning them to make sure that they follow at least the BC building code. The wires that are coming in that are in about 6 feet off the ground, those are the main power lines coming in the house. Obviously there's no handrail, proper handrail. You could easily fall off this deck, and you can actually just walk right onto the roof where I'm standing and fall off the roof onto the neighbor's property beside you. Over here, we've got some skylights that I think that someone actually found some glass in the laneway or something, maybe, I don't know. They've thought to cut some skylights right through the structure and installed the roofing material. They've nailed it to the side. Got some plexiglass on here. There's 3 of them. It's unbelievable. I think that the person maybe had hired a roofing contractor to come stick down the actual flat part of the roof, but they've put their own vertical connections on. You can see here they've used roofing nails to hold those in place. This piece here, they forgot to use some roofing nails. If you just look right past it, you can see there's the actual structure of this building behind. Just in some very, very poor quality work here. Let me take you back over here. I'm going to show you. Obviously, somebody's punched a couple doors out into this rooftop area here. But this door they've put here, there's not really much of a soffit overhang here. So any wind-driven rain is going to go down and in there. And then from where do you think it goes? Obviously right down into the living space, because I'm standing on living space, and there's living space behind that door. This little skylight here, as cute as it might be in the kitchen, you see the caulking. Clearly it's leaked. You don't just put caulking on for no reason. And obviously, the other side too, they just nailed that piece to the side. I always stress people, when you're doing roofing projects, make sure you hire qualified professionals, because you don't want your roof looking like this. So I always stress to people, if you're going to do roofing projects, hire a qualified roofing professional that's going to put proper skylights on your home, proper roofing details, proper door connections, so that you're adding value to your home, not taking away and possibly damaging your home with water damage like that door that's right there. If you have any home related questions, leave them in the comments below and let's figure them out. I post videos weekly. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Tom Monroe, the Home Inspector.